We went to visit Discovery Cube LA, a children's science museum with interactive exhibits. When we first entered, we played with a marble exhibit demonstrating gravitational pull. Then we headed to the physics lab. We could put together race cars and launch them on various tracks. There was a station to make paper airplanes, and then try to launch them through hoops. There was a room where we had to walk through without touching lasers. The museum had other physical activities, like a rock climbing wall. And there was an exhibit where we had to try and pull ourselves up. There were many immersive rooms, like one to explore Earth, the Moon, and other planets. Another room had multiple tour themes, and we sat in one that went inside the human body. A room took us on a tour drilling down into the Earth. Our kids really enjoyed the miniature city model, where they could control small parts of it. There was a competitive game where we had to sort and scan different types of trash. Discovery Cube LA has a lot of interactive science exhibits that our kids loved spending time at.